What is it? Alright.
So what do you gotta do?
Turn it off.
Okay, hurry up and test it again. What does it show?
0.
Okay, so what does that mean?
I don't know, positive, negative?
No, what does that mean about that?
It's off.
It's off. So now what can you do?
Change it.
Okay, get your tools. So what are those two wires that poking out?
Positive, negative.
Why do you have to turn it off?
I'll get electrocuted, I don't know.
That's right. You'll get a shock.
This is the right one. Give me the other one.
You're fine, that's not it there.
It's not even working.
I think you're going the wrong way with it. Righty tighty, loosey lefty.
Oh, let's on. It's not right. You get it? See, right now I'm choking now.
Harder than we thought. We should have loosened it up. Okay, put that one down over there.
What is it?
Don't worry with it.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, go turn it back on. Okay, go in there to get your tester. Get your tester. Where is it at? There we go, right here.
What?
Hold it on there correctly. You hit the actual wire. There you go. It's not going very high. Did he not get it on there right? Put it on the actual wire. And is he doing it right? No. Look where he's got. Look where he has the sticks.
You told me to put it right there.
One right there, and then one.
Yeah, I was doing that.
Okay, do that. You try that now.
I was doing
Sure.
that.
Didn't get very high.
Okay, now we turn it on.
Okay. Turn it on, see if it works.
Yeah, it's on.
All right. So what'd you do?
It's on.